confirms it that the Adidas Harden Volume 9 will make an appearance before the year closes in solar lime, a snakeskin-wrapped makeover. Product information for an unpublished pair of Harden's 9th Adidas Basketball design shows that the sneaker's expanding collection now includes a solar lime and core black finish. According to an unconfirmed speculative mock-up, the pair features fluorescent green, a color that was recently adopted by the Reebok Engine A, a business that was formerly held by the Three Stripes umbrella group, on everything from the inner bootie to the multidirectional outsole. The scale-like design placed on the glossy upper of the brightly colored sneaker is what makes it so intriguing. There hasn't been a glimpse of the solar lime style on foot yet, but that should change as the NBA playoffs draw nearer. The Harden Volume 9 costs $160 and will be available on Adidas.com on October 17.